Hi, my name is Mike Toledo. I've been doing paintless dent repair since 1991. When it comes to cars, that's definitely difficult, but when it comes to gas tanks, motorcycle tanks, Harleys in particular, they can be a very big challenge. Not only is it just challenging, the gauge of the metal is way more thicker. We have a special vise that we use that really helps the control, the leverage, and the precise pinpoint accuracy that we need with our tools. Personally, paintless dent removal is like reversing history. We're taking tools and we're manipulating the metal while saving and preserving the original paint. I love what I do. The customers love what I do. If you are wanting your gas tank fixed, you got a dent in it, let me know. I'll be more than happy to put that pride back in your ride.